All right, guys, welcome again to channel. Here today we'll show you how to use the best Pinterest search, which is kind of easy. So the best way is just to log into your account, and once you log to your account, you will find the search bar. So it's important to note that first you will always search through your own pin, sorry, and then you can search all pin if you click on it. But for example, here, I can search for home and I will search for all my pins about home. Just I can see my boards speaking about home, but also here some results of pins that I've already selected into home. I could change and put it to all pin and I have much more IDs and inspiration. I can shop with some recommendation, but also there is a lot of recommendation from Pinterest. And then you have multiple filters from video, boards, profiles. You can select. Then you can do some IDs for home decorations, and automatically you will have more potential IDs for the current query, which is home decoration. I can change from any time or search directly here by typing, for example, Clomas. It will show me all the potential pictures, but if you're looking for a profile, you will have to click on profiles, and then you can see the profiles. So yeah, so that's really a particularity with Pinterest, is that if you search, you always search first onto your product, then into all pins, and if you want to look for a profile, you have to go to all pins and then profiles, and you can find all the profiles. Thanks again for watching this video, and hope this was useful. Cheers.